Hi guys, Patrick Johnston here, managing broker, GoDominicanLife.com and LasTerrenasLife.com, your real estate company right here in the beautiful Dominican Republic. This week, for the next couple of days, we are on the road. We're showcasing other parts of the Dominican Republic, areas that you have not seen truly, and we're going to show you what we call, or is, the East Coast. And the East Coast of the Dominican Republic runs generally from Punta Cana, Bavaro, down through the entrance of Santo Domingo, which covers La Romana, Bayahibe, San Pedro de Macorís, Juandolio, Boca Chica, and then just before we make a right turn back up to Samaná on the north coast. The cool thing about this area is that this is the Caribbean Sea. So in one day, I can leave my town in Las Terrenas, dip my right foot in the Atlantic Ocean, and 2.5 hours later, put my left foot in the Caribbean Sea. There's very few times that you can say that in your life, and it's really a good thing to do that. Right now, we are in Bayahibe. Bayahibe is about 15 minutes east of La Romana, and this town was founded in 1854, by the Perez family out of Puerto Rico that came here to start a fishing community. So this was the original use of this town. There's only about 3,000 people here that live here. It's very much sort of like Las Terrenas, but small. But like every day around this time, between 8 a.m. and 10 a.m., you have thousands of tourists that come in from all the East Coast, all the areas that I just mentioned, especially Bavaro, Punta Cana, on busloads and busloads and busloads. There must be 100, 200 buses here right now. And the reason for that is that they are going on a day excursion to Sanoa. Sanoa Island is about 3 kilometers off the coast here. And watch behind you. 3 hours off the coast. And what Sanoa Island is known for is scuba diving, fishing, snorkeling, and it's a nature reserve. It's a national park, and it has an interesting history if you look at it online, but it has great value for a lot of people. So from here, they do a full day tour, which basically includes your snorkeling, your barbecue lunch, all your drinks, etc. It's what I call your typical touristy kind of thing to do. But that's not the reason why we're here in Bayahibe. Bayahibe is an interesting place to invest in real estate because it's a real small town. Again, 3,000 people maximum, and you can buy condominiums, villas, apartments for starting around $65,000 American and up, but it's very, very reasonable. It's very, very quiet. I don't think, on the number of times I've been here, there isn't even a discotheque. There's a few colmados that you can kind of hang out with, but it's really meant for relaxation. Now, I come to this town probably 2 or 3 times a year as I visit a friend of mine in La Romana, and we always come here for the weekend because they have a variety of great restaurants on the beach. You're right, all your seafood is right here. Your lobster, your red snapper, your mahi-mahi, or dolphin fish as they know it, or dorado is another word for it. But the restaurant choices are great. The accommodation is very inexpensive. They're all bed and breakfast type of, or small inns. So it's very custom to your liking. But let's walk around the town. Let's check out things. I want to give you an overview of the Pueblo here by an aerial shot, which you're going to see in a second. They have 2 public beaches. We have the main beach here in Bayahibe, and in a few minutes we're going to go over to see Dominicus Beach, which is about 5 minutes away, but it's really part of the same thing. This entire area of La Romana, Bayahibe falls under the municipality of La Romana in the province of La Altagracia, which is on the east coast of the country. So let's go check it out.
Sky, that is what you are. Breathe and you know you're alive. So move with the time that you have. The world will keep spinning round.